Hey, this is Robert here at Guzzi Fabrication, and we're located in Rowlett, Texas. We have a couple of really iconic classic muscle cars in the shop, and we're doing complete restorations on both. And the first you can see is a 1968 RT 440 4-speed Dodge Charger. Like I said, these are complete restorations. We have these both completely disassembled. The Charger was just on a rotisserie. We media blasted it. Then we applied DP90 PPG epoxy paint. And we will be replacing the front floor, both quarter panels, trunk on this vehicle with AMD replacement body parts. And then the second is a 1969 Z28, and we've done extensive work to this car. We've replaced the roof skin, left and right quarter panels, complete floor, inner and outer rockers, tail light panel. Now this car is going to go on a roadster chassis frame. Originally it's a unibody car, but we're going to be mounting it onto a roadster chassis frame, making a full framed car out of it. And then we're going to tub it. And while they're both in the shop at this stage, I was thinking, hey, it'd be a really cool video to do a side-by-side comparison of just the overall dimensions of both of these cars. As we all know that the Mopars are usually a little bit larger and longer, so I thought, hey, let's put a tape measure to it and see where they fall. So here's just a visual of the side-by-side. We have them both lined up. You see the overall shape of both. And now here's where you really start to see the difference at the front of the cowl. Roughly, the Charger is going to come in at being about 2 foot longer than the Camaro when it's all assembled. And you can see the difference here at the front of the cowl and then the front of the cowl of the Charger. And of course the Z28 doesn't have the subframe. Shot of the front of the cowl of the Z28 and front of the Charger. So we're going to do a few crude measurements with a tape measure. So starting at the front of the cowl and ending at the rear of the quarter panel, we have a rough estimate of around 130 inches. Now moving over to the Charger. Same starting point. Front of the cowl. Long way. We're going to land at about 150. So on the width, the rear width, tail light panels, the Charger's going to fall at over between 69 and 70 inches. And the Z28 around 66 and a half. Now I'm trying to go off of the front bolt on the door hinge to the quarter panel. roughly 47 and a half. And now the charger, roughly same spot. $52 and a half. Now we're going to take some cowl measurements. Hey, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our other videos on YouTube. We have a lot of welding and restoration type videos. And as always, hey, thanks for watching.